we just made it to our room at Hotel Rose. We have a nice little hallway here. I brought 2 suitcases because I'm extra. We are here at a Stay Pineapple hotel. It's called Hotel Rose. The TV's going, and then this is really cute. It says if you have the munchies, you just grab this like adorable pineapple filled with a bunch of treats, so that's fun. They have quite the welcome here. This is kind of crazy. So we've got ourselves some Pellegrino, delicious, a Cab Sav, that's awesome, from Washington State, 2016, Boomstown, that'll be delicious. We have a little card that I haven't read yet, but everything is themed with a pineapple, which I abso-freaking-lutely love. It's amazing. We have these adorable pins. They're little Pride pineapple pins, so I will be rocking that on the next bag that I can actually put that on, because the bag I'm rocking today is from Balzac Putty, and I can't put it on that material. But these cups are just adorable. Pineapples are the best. And then what do we have under here? Oh my gosh, we're about to dive into that. That looks delicious. And then I got my pineapple. I wanted a pineapple as a prop because I'm crazy. And then we got Total Domination IPA from Ninkasi. This is a really good IPA, so this is really cool. Got some waters back here, and then they have their own coffee for the Keurig, which is pretty cool. They're all Stay Pineapple. We got decaf, which, who drinks decaf? Come on. And I think that's it. And then we have a little bag of some more goodies in here that I'll open up right now. And I gotta show you guys, this pillow is so cute. It says sleep with me. That's adorable. Let's take a peek. Just gonna lay it out like that. Oh, this is really cool. This is definitely going to help differentiate my suitcase moving forward, because I have the Black Travel Pro, which nobody ever knows it's mine. And then we have one of these guys. Those are really fun. What are these? I'm guessing this is chocolate because it says allergy. And then we got ourselves some jelly beans. Love it. Super cute. Everything's branded with the pineapple, which I really love. So yeah, there we go. Very simple, easy room. We have a little patio out here overlooking the freeway, but love the patio. And then the bed's nice and clean. Okay, so this is what the bathroom looks like. Again, very nice and simple, beautiful. And then we have like the glass shower. So everything is very compact, which we love. Just makes it nice and easy, simple and efficient. Just taking some photos for Instagram. You know how that goes. It's like Inception. Right here. The usual, I have to have my edamame, and then I'm so excited about this ramen. Yay. Okay, so we were at the Pine Street Market for dinner. I got the ramen, Aaron got the smokehouse stuff. My food was way better, let's be honest. Edamame and ramen, any day. So we are at Rogue right now, but then 10 Barrel Brewing is right across the street, so we're gonna head there. We're gonna stop in here for a quick second, and then we're gonna go to 10 Barrel Brewing. They have a lot of stuff on tap here. But I just wanted to talk to you guys about my lashes, because avoid all the oil on my face with these lashes. Like, oh my gosh, they look so good. Amazing Lash does an amazing job every single time. I'm obsessed, and this is the natural lash too. This is not like the crazy one, so I'm loving it. Back to the room for the first night. I am on another glass of wine. We went to a local dispensary called Oregon's Finest. Pretty pricey, but I'm trying to be super healthy, so I got the organic like granola bar type of scenario, and it's all infused with weed, so that was kind of cool. Did I mention that weed is legal in Oregon? I don't know if I mentioned that to you guys yet, but it's legal here. So you can't judge me because it's legal. I had a very tiny piece of that granola bar because they basically base it off of 5 milligrams, I think. I don't know. I only had a tiny little piece, so can't really judge too much of what I'm doing at this point. It's only been like 40 minutes and they said sometimes it takes up to an hour and a half. I can definitely feel it, but that's pretty much what we're doing now, just chilling, and I'm just like sipping slowly on the glass of wine, and then I have to steam all my clothes for tomorrow's photo shoot, go take a shower, do all the usual shit. But I thought I would check in with you guys and just let you know. I'm just casually watching the street below. It's our little setup. You can see the street and it just looks so bright and fun. But the breeze is really nice. It's not too cold. And actually, speaking of the breeze, I'm gonna look at the weather app and just check it out, see what the temperature is here. Okay, so it's pretty much 100 degrees back home. That's nice. I'm gonna put Portland, Oregon. So it's 60 degrees outside right now. It says 59. It's pretty crazy because I'm just sitting out here chilling. I don't feel that cold, but you guys have to remember it's 40 degrees colder here than it is back home, which is insane. It's like a whole different climate. I'm gonna stop rambling. I will see you guys in the morning during this photo shoot. I hope it's quick because I actually hate photo shoots. I just like the content, and the content is necessary for the blog, but I actually hate doing the photo shoot itself. It's miserable switching outfits, and I'm always sweating, and I'm taking a dress off, putting the new one on. It's so annoying, but it's all part of this glamorous life of being a blogger. Anyway, talk to you guys in the morning. Got a big bowl from Bowl. Sriracha on the side, and some chips and salsa. These may be the biggest onion rings I've ever seen in my life. This is my hand for perspective. It's a big ass onion ring. Normally, texting Tanya. It's my first glass of wine for the day. We've just been having a lot of beer. Aaron's still stuck with the IPAs, and we are at Centro. N-E-L Centro, C-E-N-T-R-O. So I ordered the pizza of the day, which sounded really good. We honestly don't even remember all the ingredients, but it just sounded really good. And then I got focaccia bread, and then also goat cheese with caponate and something else. So all the things. I'm actually not even going to try to pronounce it. The M Falls. I will have it linked down below. This is the long shot since we're in the parking lot. But you're right on the interstate here. We're on the 84. So kind of weird that the falls is right off the highway. But it's incredibly beautiful. You're just completely surrounded by trees and nature. It's just very breathtaking. This really reminds us a lot of Norway. We made it to Full Sail Brewery. So the entire brewery looks to be this whole block, but this is where the brew pub is with all the goods, the beer and the food. So yeah, we're just chilling. It's a beautiful summer day in Oregon. We're pretty lucky and happy to be here. Just walked into the room and got this awesome shower. This is the bathroom. Stop. We got the sink. Ooh, fancy. Some Bella champagne with Voss water. Got little nightstands, the bed, a desk, the TV, and this amazing view. It's pretty cool. Pretty incredible view. Okay, Okay, we made it to Cascade Brewing, and they're playing pretty much all the good stuff from the early 2000s. Destiny's Child, Nelly. Has like the best reviews, and there's obviously a long line waiting outside, so makes sense to check it out. It is so beautiful around us, just chilling, listening to music, sipping on a couple wines, loving life. Okay, we just made it to the viewpoint to see Mount St Helens. So that is the volcano. Made it to Bear Lake Brewing Company. We're just checking it out. We don't know anything about it, but we got this IPA and it's freaking delicious. Love. It's a cute little place. We're right outside, so a lot of people are sitting outside because it's really, really nice. But it's beautiful. Woo. We're by the Devil's Punch. No, the Devil's Punch. And there's actually people down there. I'm kind of curious. I want to go down there myself and check it out. But it's pretty sweet. Cutest winery. It's called Flying Dutchman, and there's a beautiful patio in the back that you can basically see all the water and the coast. It's incredible. We're at the Washington State Park on one of the trails, and it's so pretty, super serene and quiet. It's the Rose Garden. Lots of beautiful blooming roses, and it smells incredible out here. Cutest little winery.